As you watch this video, create a timeline of events from discovery to mass production. Fleming carried out further research, confirming that mold killed many kinds of bacteria. He named the mold penicillin and published his findings in 1929. He did not continue with his research as other scientists did not seem very interested in his discovery, and penicillin took a very long time to produce, making further research expensive. In 1936, Howard Florey assembled a team of scientists, including Ernst Chain, to research methods of killing bacteria at Oxford University. In 1938, they decided to continue Fleming's research on penicillin. After failing to secure funding from the British government, they then received enough funding for 5 years' research from the USA. In 1940, Florey and Chain successfully tested penicillin on mice. However, large quantities of penicillin were needed and it took time and space to grow. The team started growing penicillin wherever they could. In 1941, penicillin was tested on a policeman who had developed sepsis, an infection from a wound which almost always led to death. After receiving injections of penicillin, the man began to recover. Unfortunately, they then ran out of penicillin and the man died, but it had proved that penicillin worked and did not have serious side effects that harmed the patient. Florey approached the British government and several British companies to try to get penicillin mass-produced. Nobody agreed as they were busy with what was felt at the time to be more important work for the Second World War. In July 1941, he went to the USA. The USA entered the Second World War in December 1941. The American government realized the importance of penicillin for treating wounded troops. It agreed to loan money to US pharmaceutical companies to mass-produce penicillin. In 1943, British companies began mass-producing penicillin too. It saved the lives of thousands of wounded soldiers. On the 1st of June 1946, penicillin became available to the British public if prescribed by a doctor. It has saved the lives of millions of people ever since.